guys, Assalamu alaikum. Today is 28th day of Ramadan and I'm here again with another reminder. You ever paid attention that there's a strange shift that happened the moment the final Maghrib prayer ends on the month of Ramadan? It's like a collective exhale. The fast is over, the kitchen is buzzing and suddenly everyone is in Eid mode. But if we stop there, we're actually walking away from the most important part of the journey. There is a name for this last night, It's called Laylatul Ja'iza. In English, that literally means the night of the prize. Think about that for a second. Laylatul Ja'iza, the night of the prize, the night of the reward. We have spent 30 days climbing this spiritual mountain. We have fasted, we have prayed through the night, we have pushed ourselves, and just as we reach the summit, where the reward is actually handed out, many of us turn around and run back down to the shops or the parties. Scholars tell us that this night is the payday. Imagine working a grueling month at a job and then on the final day, when the boss calls you in to hand over your paycheck, you just don't show up. You are too busy choosing a shirt for the office party to actually collect your wages. That's what we do when we spend the 30th night of Ramadan purely in distraction. And wallahi, most of us do the same. Look, I'm not saying that we don't celebrate Eid. Eid is a gift. But Ramadan doesn't end with the last Iftaar. It concludes with this final precious night of mercy. The Prophet ﷺ told us that on the last night of Ramadan, Allah forgives His servants. When the Sahaba asked if that was Laylatul Qadr, he said no, but when a laborer finishes his work, he is given his wages. So dear all, here is my challenge for you and for myself this year. Don't let the Chand Raat hype rob you of your prize. Before you head out, before you get lost in the noise, just take 30 minutes, sit silent. Sit alone in silence, talk to Allah, ask Him to accept the messy, imperfect fasts we offered. Ask Him for everything you need for the coming year. This is the moment that gates are wide open for the prizes to be distributed. Don't be the one who finishes the race but forgets to cross the finish line. Let's make sure our hearts stay present even when the hunger is gone. Subscribe this. This is your channel, the Alpine Verse. Keep climbing, keep continuing, keep earning the best rewards. Fi amanullah.